Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export a Grafana dashboard to CSV. Now the first thing I want you to do is open up your dashboard, and for this you will need to go ahead and export a Grafana panel to CSV. So you have to do this one by one. You just locate the panel and then you click on these three dots, and then under inspect, once we hover over inspect, you should see all of these options. I want you to go ahead and click here on a data, okay? And then you should see right here under data options, we can download it as a CSV. Now, if you want this data to be formatted, okay, then you can toggle this one on as a table. And if you want to download for Excel, where it would add header to the CSV for use with Excel, you can toggle this one on as well. But I'll just go ahead and download the CSV as it is. There we go. That's the default settings. And now we can open up this CSV just to show you. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so that is how to export a Grafana dashboard to CSV.